I won the opportunity at race team at school. I signed up for a contest and I actually won because of my performance and teacher recommendations. Everything that I've seen on this car, I've seen an everyday road car and I was taught in school. It's a totally different platform, but it's really all the same. It's nothing to it. Most interesting thing I've learned about Schmidt Peterson Motorsports in their car is specialization and how one person can really control one section of the car, and that it's really a big communication between engineer and mechanic. After talking to Cole and a few of the other guys in this race team, I've learned a lot about the car.
It's been great having Tom around this weekend. Both of our education is very similar. I studied the exact same thing at Lincoln Tech, and it's a very good program if you want to prepare yourself into working in the motorsports industry.
Getting involved in motorsports would be an opportunity of a lifetime, and I would really like to get into it. If I can be mopping floors or doing anything with the team, I'd love to be a part of it.